Hello there friends, Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have DSP Paper Sketch number 53 today. We're going to be using Countryside Inn and I've paired it with Misty Moonlight and Basic White. We're going to cut a background panel, so 4 by 5 1/4, and then we're going to cut a smaller panel for a focal panel. Now I stamped a sentiment from Brightest Glow onto a die cut circle with my Misty Moonlight ink, so very monochromatic here. Here are all the parts and pieces for the project. There's lots of layers, but remember all the descriptions of what I used and the measurements I used for these different pieces are on the mini tutorial you can get in my email subscription. So we always start by folding and scoring our card base. Then we're going to start layering up our panels. So with liquid adhesive, add the background panel, stepped in to just give you a little bit of a frame around the edge. Then we're going to mount up the thinner DSP panel on the other piece of Misty Moonlight. That just gets added to the front of our card, stepped in a little bit on the left-hand side, so there's a little bit of the background on the left and the right of that focal image. Then it's time to add the 3 finishing elements. So I added the paper ribbon across as a band, then the smaller DSP ribbon, and then I popped up the sentiment on dimensionals. So there you have it. There's our multi-layered but pretty simple card sketch. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. And you know you can subscribe here to the channel or to my newsletter. Just use the links below. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.